So I still have this game, and I'm gonna start out with parts and service. First, I'm gonna eat some candy. Ooh, ooh. Nom 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 nom. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Nom nom nom. I have more candy. By the way, this is not hard mode. It kind of is, but it's just extra nights. Like, you see, if you go to FNAF 1, it's only 4 nights. There's usually like 5. You pull this, and there, extra night. Well, here goes nothing, and pew. I am scared still. Even though I tested some of the jump scares, there, I'm not scared anymore.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Oh no, it looks like Bonnie's guitar is out of tune and must be recalibrated. First, we must access his harmonization module located inside his secondary throat pipe. To access the throat pipe, both eyes must first be removed. You must be as precise as possible when removing the eyes from their respective sockets. First, firmly grip Bonnie's left eye and carefully remove it from its socket. Great job. Deposit the left eye in the cleaning receptacle on your left. Well done. Now, firmly grip Bonnie's right eye and carefully remove it from its socket. Deposit the right eye in the cleaning receptacle on your right.
Right here.
Good job. To open Bonnie's faceplate, carefully press the 2 buttons located on either side of Bonnie's jaw. When done correctly, you should hear 2 small clicks. Well done. You now have access to Bonnie's harmonization module. Press the blinking button inside Bonnie's secondary throat pipe to enter calibration mode. Something is not right. One of those notes is out of tune. You may push the button again to replay the audio check. Press the blinking button again to verify your work. Great job. Bonnie is in tune and ready for his solo. Let's close him up. Simply replace both eyes in the same order that you removed them, then close up the faceplate, and we'll call it a day. Well done. That concludes your parts and services task. See you next time.
No way. I was so scared. Oh, I was so scared. Yeah, candy. Okay, there you go. Okay. So there might have been some stuff extra. I would go do that in part 2. I think there's coins. Yeah, I think there's coins. I knew how to do it because I watched a little video. A little one. Actually, no way, I didn't do that. What am I talking about? I played Roblox version. Roblox. It's called animatronics. Yeah. Well, see you in a little bit. Wait, let me see. I get it? I got it! Yeah. Well, see you in a little bit. Bye-bye.